show. I got this from Amazon. Oh my god, this looks so adorable. So cute. Oh wow. Welcome to HMH show. I'm doing unboxing video. I got this from Amazon because you can see it. And I think this cost $30. So let's open this because I'm so excited. This toy called Mini Crush Secret Dolls. It's so long name, so let's cut it. I'm so excited. I'm on it. Oh, finally I got it. Whoa, this is so cute. It's so adorable. So I tried to open this because... Oh no. Okay, this is too hard. Oh my god, voila. So hard. Okay. Okay, finally, I got it. Now let's take the tape. Oh, it looks so cute. I love this toy. Oh wow. God, this looks so cute. It has diamonds and some, I don't know, some circle colors. Oh no, oh my god, you can make your own bracelet. It's like a string here. So let me take this out and let's check. I know how to do this. So this it looks like. It looks so pretty. Maybe I get the diamond doll. Ooh, I love this. So let's put this down. So now let's open one by one. So let's count one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Oh, that's kind of sus, but okay. Let's open this one. I can't get a diamond one. Oh my god, this is the head. Oh my god, this looks so adorable. She is so cute. Aww. Okay, let's open this. It looks like candy shapes. I don't know why. Whoa, this is so glittery. Oh, I love this. I don't know this is a dress. Yeah, it is a dress. So, look the head and look the dress. It's so pretty. And, okay, let's open this. Oh, maybe it's the body. I think that's the body. Oh, no. Right, let's use it. So, I opened this. So, let's see. Kind of satisfying. Whoa. What is this? I don't know. I think you need to put beads in it. Wow, look at it. It's so glittery. It's a diamond. I knew it. So let's see the list what we got. Oh, I don't... Wait, we got this one, guys. Whoa, this is the secret one, I think. So let me see what I got. So let's open this. Really annoying to open this. So which one we got? I don't know. We got this one. And I wanted this one, but it's okay. It's so cute. Oh my god. I don't know how to spell her name. I don't know how to read this. Oh, I got this one. This is so pretty cute. Oh, I kind of got the luckiest luck then. So her name is Gamma Jewel. Wow, that's so pretty. So nice name. So let's put it this and let's fix this right now. Let's open this. I think this is the body. So I opened this. Oh wow! Satisfying. So let's put the body together. Oh my god, this is so pretty. He has like diamond shoes. Looks so cute. So let's put this. I'm not good at building dolls, but don't judge me. So hard. Oh, I did it! Yay, he's so cute. So let's put it the head. Okay, guys, I show you how to. Okay. So I know that this is easy too, but no. She looked like this. She's so adorable. I wish she'd be real, but no, she's so tall. Look, she's so cute. So I think this is, this is put in the beans. Okay, that's not that. So let's dress up her. I'm not good in dressing up. Just saying, guys. So, I need to put it down for this. I'm sorry. So this is her little outfit. It's so glittery. Like what? It's coming to my hands. I don't want this to take a mess. But it's okay. This will look like. So let's put in the beans. I think you guys say how you know this too, because I saw this on YouTube. So let's open the beans. Okay, I need my hammer. Open this. So now let's put in the dolls. You can design your own bracelet, so it looks so pretty. How would they know it's my favorite color, pink? Let's put in some diamonds. So this is my doll. Let's put in some beans. So let's put in this purple diamond. I do it one by one. I think you can go. Let's put in this pearlescent. I think that's a diamond. I'm stupid then. I don't want it to circles. Let's put it. You have not much space. That's why I'm putting a little less. Let's put it there. It's so cute. Then you can shake it. So I put it this much. Let's put a little bit here now because I want to. Okay, I think you have less now. No. I put it this. It looked like a ring. I don't know why, but anyway, this is her hair. It'd be a little hard. Oh, this is her hat and this is her hair. Oh, now I understand. So you can shake it. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is her. She's so adorable. Look her now. She has a cute face. So this is her. She looks so pretty. You enjoy this toy. You got this because this can make little noises. You can annoy your family that you can know. So yeah. So goodbye, friends.